Hey everyone! Have you ever felt like you're on the brink of a major achievement, only to find yourself bogged down by seemingly small details that take up more time than expected? Imagine you're on the edge of a big leap, and all you need is a little push to reach success. Today, I'm excited to share some fantastic news about an update from Hamster Combat that will make things significantly easier for you. Forget about the small details. We'll cover everything you need to know to make the most of this incredible opportunity. Today, we're diving into a major update from Hamster Combat just before the highly anticipated airdrop on the 26th of this month. With only 19 days left, this update is not just a routine improvement, it's a game changer that will make your journey much smoother. Let's talk about the new rewards. A fresh format for daily rewards has been introduced, offering new opportunities to earn exciting prizes. In the first week, you'll start with 100,000 coins on the first day, then receive 1 key on the second day, and the rewards increase each day up to 1 million coins on the 5th day, culminating in exclusive skin that you'll receive on September 11th. In the second week, the rewards get even better. You'll start with 5 million coins on the first day, then receive 5 keys on the second day, up to 20 million coins on the 5th day, and finally, exclusive skin on the 7th day. And the third week? It's a significant investment in helping you progress. The game will reward you with 35 million coins on the first day, followed by 15 keys, 50 million coins, 20 keys, 75 million coins, and ending with 25 keys. And finally, exclusive skin on the 7th day. By the end of this week, you'll have accumulated 160 million coins and 60 keys. That means from the first to the third week, you'll gather 88 keys, 196 million coins, and 3 exclusive skins. The goal here is to simplify things and assist you in moving forward more quickly. And this isn't the end. The project aims to ensure you stay engaged even after the airdrop. There are more phases and upcoming airdrops, and they want to make sure you're active and benefiting at every stage. If you're a newcomer, you can use these coins to upgrade your cards and reach Grandmaster status by the end of the 3 weeks. And remember, the new daily rewards will play a crucial role in enhancing your experience. Finally, regardless of your progress, remember that logging in daily, even if you don't play, will bring you significant benefits. All you need to do is stay active and take advantage of these golden opportunities. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.